Hello and welcome. In this video, we will go over how to draft a subpoena duces tecum. This is also part of the discovery phase. Please watch the video to the end as there is a lot of very important information. A subpoena duces tecum is an order to provide documents, and it compels a provider or custodian of records to produce records. Please review your state rules. A regular subpoena is an order to appear, and we will go over regular subpoenas in another video. First, determine who has control of the records. And make sure you have the correct legal name and address of the custodian of records. Be as specific as possible, including names and dates. For records only, you will draft a subpoena duces tecum. Note that if you're requesting medical records, you may have to include a HIPAA authorization. Again, check your state rules. Usually, you must first serve a notice of intent to serve the subpoena on all parties and wait the required time, which is usually 7 to 14 days to file the subpoena. This gives the parties a chance to object before the subpoena is served. Now we will go over both documents, the notice of intent and the subpoena. As you know, the first page includes the caption, so include your firm's information, the names of the parties, the court, the case number, and the title of the document. The first paragraph informs the parties that your office intends to serve the attached subpoena duces tecum upon all the custodians of records listed below. Make a list of all the providers you need records from, and then prepare a subpoena for each one of these providers. Then delete this paragraph here. And the second paragraph informs them that if no written objections are made, that it will be served by this date. Date it, sign your attorney's name, and complete the certificate of service, and sign your name on the line. The next paragraph is the actual subpoena. Again, fill out the caption information. The first part will include the provider's name and address. And the first paragraph informs the provider that they are commanded to produce these documents and gives them a deadline. The second paragraph is the Exhibit 2 affidavit of custodian of records. And the third paragraph is Exhibit 3, which is information regarding the rights of persons subject to the subpoena duces tecum. So there will be 3 exhibits attached. Date it, sign your attorney's name, and again, complete another certificate of service and sign your name on the line. The next document is Exhibit 1, and you will provide a list of items to be produced. Be as specific as possible with all the documents you want. And it also informs them how the records are to be produced. Okay, Exhibit 2 is the actual affidavit of custodian of records, which the provider will complete, sign, and have notarized. Again, check your state rules. And Exhibit 3 is a copy of your state rules of civil procedure. And check your rules to see if you need to attach this. And some final notes. Calendar deadlines. If no objections are made, serve the subpoena, and then arrange for proper service by a process server or any non-party adult. You will need proof of service. And that is it for these documents. Remember to check spelling and formatting. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.